people, today we're going to do jumbo twists, okay? Sharon Alexis is one of my inspiration to do this hairstyle, but I've just been fascinated by naturalness lately. Okay, so I first blow dry my hair, and these are the hair that I use. I'm gonna use this hair. I don't know how much I will need, but I got 2 packs. This hairstyle shouldn't take too long because you're winging it. You're not trying to perfection it. When I braid all the way to the end, I don't want a straight blunt cut. I want it uneven. So you can also do this, split it in half, put a little bit to the right, and you're gonna see like the ends and like this. It can get a little tangled. Here in the middle, have your natural hair come together. Bam. So you tighten it a little bit. And then twist. Don't twist too tight. It looks very natural. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I just have to say that this hairstyle does not put any tension on your hair. It's about an inch away from your scalp. If you want to shorter than this, you just cut the braids in half and stretch them. You're still gonna get a good length, and you wouldn't need as much hair. If you have 4A to 4C hair, the hair that's gonna give you the more natural look, I think, is gonna be like the kinky hair rather than this. I wouldn't use this type of hair on my mom's hair. It's cute. So many people approach me with this question: is this mine? And a lot of time I wanted to say yes.